Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to disable the Delete Friends chat setting on Snapchat using the latest update. If you're tired of chats disappearing or want to keep your conversations saved, this is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings and connections. Next, scroll down a little until you find the My Friends section. Tap on it to open your full friends list. Here, you'll see everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Now, find the specific friend whose chat settings you want to change. Once you've found their name, press and hold on it. A small menu will pop up with several options related to that friend. From that menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can control how your conversations behave with that person. Inside the settings, look for the option called Delete Chats. Tap on it and you'll see different timing options. To stop chats from disappearing automatically, select Never. And that's it. Your chats with that friend will now stay saved unless you manually delete